Next up is Kering, which is sort of like a new brand that was invented by the French people, the Pinault family, who control this entity. But the brands themselves are things like Gucci, which is of course an Italian brand, but a powerhouse in luxury goods, Saint Laurent, Alexander McQueen, Brioni and the likes. It has a market cap listed in Paris, 41.6 billion euros. Price earnings ratio 34.95, dividend yield 1.39%. Let's go to the share chart. Gucci has done well, which is reflected there. Looks quite similar to that LVMH chart.
Look, when you talk this company, it's Gucci. I mean, it's got all the other brands, but at the end of the day, it's Gucci. Now, you can also see in the share price there a couple of years ago, this wasn't doing so well, and they came in and they reinvented the Gucci brand. They
got a new design director or something.
They went into vertical integration, so they went further down and further up the value chain, and it paid off massively. Truly spectacularly.
Well, that's nice.
I mean, the other brands did well. They did very well in Asia, but when you read this last set of results, they were truly spectacular. I mean, these guys shut the lights out, quite frankly.
So I guess that's about getting it right, because if you get a hot young designer who then really comes in and then there's a lot of buzz
created.
Look,
I suppose this happens to all brands. It gets a bit stale and it needs to be rejuvenated, but it showed you that they actually could do it. I mean, Yves Saint Laurent didn't do badly at all, but it was all overshadowed by Gucci.
And they do have some watch brands like Boucheron
and they got
and
eyewear, and I mean, all of these companies are very widely spread, but they normally dominate in one or two areas or brands, and essentially the fortune of the company is dependent on how those key areas does.
One interesting point about this company is that part of the thing you see now, Kering, is the product of quite a few panel beating rounds, one of which was to sell Conforama, which is obviously a mid-range to low-end furniture store.
It's not luxury,
to Steinhoff.
Yes.
So that's where a lot of Steinhoff's assets come from, is the old Conforama business, which was big in France and in Italy and Spain and so on and so forth. So that's
now
all
look,
good.
when the guys are concentrating themselves, they're trying to push jewelry sales now a little bit and trying to get that. But this is there's pros and cons to the whole industry. It's a highly competitive industry, highly competitive, but people have a huge amount of brand loyalty. They don't swap brands that quickly. But I mean, you can see things like with social media now, all of these, I mean, I don't understand it, but all of these reality stars, they are paid fortunes to show they got this handbag and that pair of shoes, and they're wearing
this leather jacket or this piece of luggage.
It's massive.
For sure.
It is huge.
So celebrities, A-grade, A-listers, as well as people who are sort of lifestyle bloggers as well, who recommend certain products because they try them out and so on and so forth. Okay, huge following. Okay, hot or not on Kering?
Yes.
Go for it.
Yeah, even though the PE is eye-watering, but yes.
On a roll. Okay, there you go. Well done to the Pinault family. They've been doing some great work there.